there everybody, it's Jamie here and a very warm welcome to you all to Travel Blog Jamie. It's travel and embarkation day. I'm very excited about this one. Today I'll be boarding Caribbean Princess in Southampton, UK, heading to the Arctic Circle in search of the Northern Lights on a 2-week cruise. Oh my God. And whilst there is so much to look forward to and share with you, of course you'll be coming with me, won't you? You will. It is travel and embarkation day, so let's head to smelly old Southampton, then the check-in and embarkation process, plus my first impressions of Caribbean Princess. I can't wait. Shall we do this? Let's go. Let's do this! You're damn right, 2 weeks requires the big yellow case for me, my darlings. Leaving little notes and reminders for Matthew. Oh, babies, I'm gonna miss you so much. I really am. Matthew's gonna look after you. He's gonna send me lots of pictures and video footage too. Bye, darlings. Sleep well. Bye, flat. See you in 2 weeks. And just look at where we'll be heading together, my darlings. You're not gonna wanna miss this. Come on, Mr. Snaggletooth, let's do this. We're walking, we are walking. Autumn officially arrives today, folks. Amazing Stoke, the land of dreams. I'll see you in a fortnight. Right, we want Southampton Central, platform 1. Finally made it to smelly old Southampton. A pretty significant delay of an hour and a half because of signalling faults. Of course, we're just stuck not going anywhere. Was I panicked? A tiny bit. Should only take like 30 minutes to get here from home. Anyway, let's head to the cruise terminal. And I've been asked recently on a live if there are taxis available outside Southampton Central Station. Here's your answer. Welcome to Ocean Cruise Terminal. That was cakey, I know. Right, so I wasn't able to download my luggage label at home, so I've just seen a desk before you get to the entrance where you can collect one. There it is. And just like that, Mr. Snaggletooth has his luggage label R236. Unfortunately, that is a standard inside cabin for 2 weeks. We are going to drop Mr. Snaggletooth off at baggage pod 4, as directed, of course, and we'll next see him outside our cabin, God willing. And there she is, folks, my chariot for the next 2 weeks. Caribbean Princess, or should I say Caribbean? And in we go to the terminal. So we have a slightly delayed boarding today, not by very long, because they need to undertake extra sanitization processes. I mean, we want to avoid any sort of bathing or squitzing, don't we? At all costs. Oh gosh, my eyes. With the ship literally right on our doorstep, I'm able to join Medallion Net and therefore access all the information about Caribbean Princess. And not only that, but watch the safety drill video on my phone. It's about 6 minutes in length. You've got to watch it before sail away. I'm going to do that now, save a bit of time. When the world gives you lemons, squeeze them. On your Princess app, you'll be prompted to complete your safety essentials. Just click on watch safety video, watch the video, and then all that remains is to go to your assembly station once on board. Right, it's my check-in time. Well, I've done most of my check-in online using the Princess app, so I just need my passport at this stage. That was very simple. Showed my passport, they gave me my medallion. So you're going to use your medallion to access the ship, your cabin, make purchases, and also you can access these really funky little interactive features on the screens around the ship as well. Our next job, security. And about 35 minutes after arrival at the terminal, it is time to board. My favorite bit, the air bridge. Zigzagorama. Nearly there. Are you ready? Are you ready? Boom, we're on. Alrighty, before we explore, here's a few facts about Caribbean Princess. And did you know Princess Cruises have 16 cruise ships in their fleet with a 17th on its way? Caribbean Princess is the last of the Grand Class ships and carries more passengers than any of the others. It was only surpassed in passenger numbers once the Royal Class ships were launched. Looking at this fact sheet, it seems that there are 14 places for us to grab some food. Awesome. If you'd like to see a full ship tour, don't you worry, I've got you covered already. Just search Travel Blog Jamie Caribbean Princess Ship Tour. We made it! Welcome to the piazza. It's so cute! Right, I'm heading straight for my muster station A, which should be at the theatre. Oh, this definitely looks like the theatre. Right, we're just going to zap in here with our medallion, and then I've done everything I need to. You'll be able to find out the location of your muster station using your app. Unfortunately, my Princess Plus package is not appearing on my account, so I can't access Wi-Fi, I can't buy any drinks, so I now have to join this very long line for guest services. You know, it drives me mad when this sort of thing happens. Honestly, I think I've got the patience of a saint. My mum wouldn't agree. So the lovely crew have not been able to resolve my issue yet, and will give me a ring later. I don't know if this bodes well or not for what's coming. My elite loyalty status wasn't recognised on check-in. Fortunately, the lovely supervisor at guest services was able to rectify this for me, and I'm back to black. It was definitely an inconvenience and a little stressful knowing that nobody on the ship had any record of me having purchased the Princess Plus package for £700 for the duration of my voyage. This package includes up to 15 alcoholic beverages per day, up to and including $15, all your sodas, hot drinks and juices from the juice bar, unlimited internet access, daily crew appreciation fees, 2 premium desserts per day, no trade charges for room service, a range of fitness classes, use of the medallion net to have food and beverages delivered to you wherever you are on the ship, and 2 visits to casual dining restaurants. I absolutely believe this is great value for money. For me, this package more than suffices, but you can actually get more from the Princess Premier package. Namely, on the Wi-Fi package, you can have 4 devices per person, enjoy unlimited alcoholic beverages up to and including $20, unlimited premium desserts, unlimited fitness classes, unlimited specialty dining, a photo package, prizes enrollment, and also reserved theatre seating. Best thing to do in an emergency, head to International Cafe. So International Cafe is open 24/7 folks, and all the food here is included in your cruise fare. Right, cheese sandwich for me to start off. Honestly, I could eat a shaggy dog's tail right now. Okay, staterooms are now ready. Never been in an inside cabin for 14 nights before. So our deck is actually deck 14, quite some way up, and my cabin is located far forward and portside to the left. Is that me? I see something yellow. They call him Mellow. Sorry, that is me. I'm too nervous to go in. Right. Oh, it's already done it automatically. Of course it does. It recognizes you before you get here. Are you ready for this? Oh, I'm so scared. Oh. It's not too bad, actually. I mean, it's a traditional cabin. But size-wise, floor space, I think I'm going to be okay. Right, here's a quick peep for you lot. And of course I'll do a full cabin tour and review. Look, I've almost got like an archway here. Oh, is that automated? Automatic lighting. Hello? Oh, hello. So you've got a walk-in wardrobe here, folks. I've had this set out as a twin room because I wanted a bit more floor space. And I think I've got that, actually. This doesn't look too bad, does it? I mean, I've just come off Queen Anne Cunard, and that was a teeny tiny cabin. So this, we're okay. I am expecting a plastic aroma bathroom. Let's see. I'm sorry, I'm not laughing at the bathroom, really. I kind of like these tiles. I'm sorry, I know it's quite trad, isn't it? It's the Caribbean. So we got some blue there. Okay, it's very much like I expected. I've seen these before, that's for sure. It's fine. You're going to get 1 3/4 people in there. For a full tour and review of this cabin, just search Travel Blog Jamie, Caribbean Princess, 2 weeks in an inside cabin. It certainly didn't go to plan. All right, let's get outside and watch sail away. I believe we're about to leave any second. All right, one good thing about being on our deck, deck 14, is should have direct access outside. Ta-da! Oh my God, we're already on the move. See ya, smelly old Southampton. Oh my goodness, look at Skywalker's the nightclub. That is kind of cool and disturbing at the same time. Wow, this is Skywalker's. It has its own moving walkway. Apparently an elite event. Will they let me in though? This is actually very cool. I'm not even going to consider walking. I want to take it all in. I really do. Welcome to Skywalker's. Well, right now it's been set up for those people who are elite and platinum members. I am elite, and look, lady at reception changed the colour for me. I think she was feeling sorry for me. How kind. Well, look at this. Very nice indeed. Well, that will do me nicely. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm a fan. I really like it up here, and I'm absolutely coming here to party. Cheeky little vodka, soda, and fresh lime. That, I tell you now, folks, I'm not paying for. Should be on my package. Oh, this looks nice. Place your bets on how cold or warm the pool water will be. Okay, that is cold. I hope they're going to warm that one up. I mean, it's a really good size pool. Come on, folks, let's get that heating on, eh? And another pool. I am going to head down and check that one out. Please be warmer. Nice spot for drinks overlooking the pool. Feels like quite a good amount of space out on deck, folks. Oh, that one's chilly as well. This is not boding well. Come on, Princess, sort yourselves out. I found Princess Pizza. Yes, it's so good. Oh my goodness me, I could live here. Very pretty lighting this evening. Gorgeous. Ice by the spa pool. Alas, this one is also very chilly. Well, I've been a little bit cheeky. I've gone up to one of the deck attendants and someone who looks quite official and formal and said, are you going to heat your pools this week? You've got so many beautiful spaces and pools and they're freezing. There's like not one person in any pool. It's not actually that cold out, but that water, whoo, chilly, every single one. He said, just wait till tomorrow, sir. I will put them to the test. You know I will. It's time to unpack. I don't know why I'm doing that. It's weird, isn't it? Whoosh. You know what makes packing and unpacking easier? Packing cubes. Oh, and by the way, these are my pajamas. All done. Oh, I feel better now. Plenty of storage space in here, I will say that. Now, one great thing about American cruise lines, in my humble opinion, is that some of the passengers really do take advantage of the fact that the doors are magnetized, and I've seen all sorts of weird and wonderful magnetic signs up on doors over the years. I have finally succumbed and bought my own. Are you ready? Here's my door. Yes, shameless promotion as well. Awesome. Oh my goodness, it looks like I've got multiple TVs. Can I just say, how big is this television? And look who it is! It's the Patter. Oh yes, every cruise ship has its own cruise news. This is your program of events. Yeah, all the opening and closing times of shops and bars and restaurants, arrival and departure times into port, dress code, my favorite thing, recommendations, reminders. It's all here in the Patter. And look at this, folks. The very first Patter that you'll receive in your cabin will have this very helpful grid which tells you which ports you're in, which day, the dress code, and all the times as well. Very handy indeed, don't you reckon? Of course it is. May I recommend you take a picture of that on your phone? You know it makes sense. That's travel and embarkation day done. Ding! Of course, you're going to want to come along for the full adventure. You are, of course you are. Will we find those pesky northern lights? Time will tell. Listen, thanks so much for your support as always. I'll see you around soon. Take care. Mwah. Coming up in this series, we're heading to the Arctic Circle. I'll be reviewing every meal on board Caribbean Princess, including casual, specialty dining and room service. I'll be talking about what's included in my cruise fare, an in-depth look at what you can get up to during a sea day, sporting, singing, shopping, gambling, lecturing, even a little line dancing. I clear up any misconceptions about dress code, our first port of call, Trondheim, and I go on a cycling adventure. Of course, we are in search of the Northern Lights, and that's exactly what I do. Beautiful sunsets as we head further north, excitement as we enter the Arctic Circle, and emotions. Our port of Alta is cancelled due to a significant storm, so it's 3 days in beautiful Tromsø. Mountains, a polar museum, Arctic cathedral, the snow arrives, a great visit to the ice bar, the hilarious troll museum, unforgettable late night visit to a husky centre, and dinner in a tent. Back on board and a little bit of camp. Some of the locals entertain us. We experience violent winds that tear us away from our berth in Tromsø. The party atmosphere on board Caribbean Princess. A real low point in the cruise with a totally wasted day and absolutely horrendous service. Randomly, my first ever Bloody Mary. More windy conditions and some choppy seas. A wonderful day in Alisund, including a lot of walking. A very memorable visit to the Atlantic Sea Life Centre. And finally, what we all want to know, was this a cruise of a lifetime? I'll give you the lowdown before heading home to see my beautiful babies. Thank you for your support as we head towards how many subscribers, Matthew?
2.
33,000, Matthew. Today's shoutouts go to my gorgeous tiers 3, 4 and 5 patrons, and oh my goodness gracious me, my darlings, yes, you too could become a patron. Just search patreon.com/travelblog Jamie, and for your personalized video messages just search cameo.com/travelblog Jamie. It really is as easy as that. Don't forget we can follow each other on Facebook, Jamie W Robbins, X, Threads and Instagram at travelblog Jamie, and of course right here right now on YouTube.